Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Good Days on guitar. We will begin by identifying the essential chords you need to get started, followed by a straightforward and adaptable strumming pattern that sounds great. Finally, I will share some helpful tips and tricks to ensure your practice sessions are productive and enjoyable, helping you make quick progress. Let's grab our guitars and get started making some beautiful music. To play Good Days easily, first place a capo on the 4th fret of your guitar. This simple step helps achieve the song's original key using more accessible open chord shapes. You will need 4 main chords: C major, a minor, E minor, and a simplified F major. Focus on clear finger placement for each chord, ensuring every string rings out cleanly. Take your time to switch between them smoothly. For a simple and effective strumming pattern, try this: down, down, up, down, up. This versatile pattern provides a full, rhythmic sound without being overly complicated for beginners. Practice strumming each chord 4 times with this pattern before smoothly transitioning to the next. Focus on maintaining a steady, even rhythm, letting your wrist stay relaxed for fluid and comfortable movements. To play Good Days smoothly, begin by practicing your chord changes very slowly and deliberately. Focus on transitioning between each chord without any hesitation or pausing. Listen to the original song intently to internalize its unique rhythm and overall feel. As you become more comfortable and confident, gradually increase your playing speed. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes a day, will lead to significant improvement and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.